Meet Alex, the parrot who could talk like a human, but not just mimic words. Oh no, he actually understood what he was saying.
I want a nut.
That's right. Alex the African Grey knew over 100 words, could count, recognize colors, and even ask for snacks, just like your little brother. Ha ha ha.
What shape?
Four corner. Square.
Wait, what? But here's the craziest part. When Alex was about to sleep, he told his trainer, "You be good. See you tomorrow. I love you." This little genius changed how we see animals forever. What do you think? Can parrots really understand us? Comment below